Welcome back to our video. We're gonna take out the garlic and mashed potatoes, the garlic bread and mashed potatoes.
So the garlic bread look, Cruzy?
It's a good crispy golden brown cheese, a good brown crust.
Put the potatoes. Dude, get your finger out of there. Get it from the sides, bro.
Yay! And now we're gonna let it sit and cool down so we don't burn our mouths.
We want to thank you for joining us.
Thank you for watching our videos.
Please like and subscribe for more cooking with my kids.
Chef
There
Murphy.
she is. Say hi, Kata. Say hi, Kata. Kata, say hi. All right. So, thank you. And this is going to be our Christmas dinner, and we'll be sitting down to eat in a few minutes. And God bless you.
Peace
Merry
out.
Christmas. Happy New Year.
Like and subscribe.
And all that jazz. We out.
Bye.
Peace.